Just wanted to go over a US platform for expats, as I do get messaged fairly frequently about what are the options. Obviously, you've got options in the US, your IBKR, your Charles Schwab. Expat editions are US platforms that can take you if you have a US address. This platform, though, is specifically for US expats. We should go over a bit of the logistics about it, who it is, etc., and the costs. So it's Praemium International. It got overtaken by Morningstar. It's established in Australia. It's one of Australia's largest platforms. It has over 500,000 investors presently with it. It's got jurisdictions and locations in Australia, the UK, Jersey, Dubai, Shenzhen, and Hong Kong. And it's launched its in the UK and offshore market in 2000. Well, in the UK in 2008. Recently got overtaken by Morningstar. It's got different regulations depending on where you are. So, for example, the FCA. Where it won't take US expats is in the UK, Australia, and Switzerland, and obviously the US. But I think other than that, it's mostly open. The cost of this is it's not as cheap as what you would get in your interactive brokers, but I think for a platform that's doing a niche, it's really not too bad. It starts at 0.35%, and it goes down on 500,000 increments, and I think the lowest charge you can get is kind of 0.2 if you've got over $2 million to invest in that. So it's not cheap, but it's also, I think it's pretty feasible for what it is. Again, it's just for those looking for an advisor-led US platform. I do think it's underused as a platform in terms of the technology and the ease to use. It's fantastic. It's got a range of funds on there, anything that you'd want for your vanilla platform. Probably not so much as if you're looking more towards the alternative section, your option trading, your forex trading, etc. But I don't think that kind of comes into most retail investors. They're just looking for low cost ETF or the average active fund, and I think this does a job for that, and it does it very easy to navigate. Some of the problems with interactive brokers, Saxo Bank, etc., is that I think they're just hard to navigate for the average investor. You log in and you've got all these options, and most people can't navigate them. With something like Praemium, I think it's very easy to navigate. They've got the systems very slick. They've obviously been bought by Morningstar. You can see the analytics quite well on that. And again, it's not cheap, but it's a reasonably low cost for what it is. It's a niche market. It's 0.35 to start with. It does do a job. You're not overpaying for the platform, I don't think, for that niche. So the conclusion is that it's a great platform for any US expats that is just looking for a vanilla favoured platform, that specifically for expats that wants to keep their home address. They don't want to kind of use a US expat address and have all the trouble with etc. It files the taxes for them. You've got the funds there, and the cost is pretty reasonable with a platform that's easy to use. I have put some more information on my blogs about this. I've written specifically, I'll try and link it below, on the Praemium platform, specifically for US expats. Hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching.